Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago. This is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Uses filter called Find Edges as always. And I'm gonna make something creative image from this and these two images. I'm gonna use watercolor material on this Fresco. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna move this empty layer in between these two layers. Then I'm gonna tone this base image down. Now I'm gonna paint on her face first. Well, nice lighting on her face. I'm gonna choose watercolor round detail first, then pick some nice skin tone. Nice direct sunlight. Okay, now I'm gonna add some this shadow area, blend to highlight. Okay, I'm gonna draw some eyebrow and stuff. Okay, now let's go for her dress. I'm gonna add layer and I'm gonna draw on here bluer color. Well, I'm gonna add another layer here for base blue color overall. I'm gonna merge down later. Okay, now I'm gonna draw one here. A little more dark wrinkle and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Now we have dress on here. Now see detail. I'm gonna merge down. Okay, let's think about background now. Nice desert sky. Well, but I can just mask this base image to get something interesting. Well, I don't know if it's interesting or not. Let me see. Let's change about 50% opacity on base image. Then let's see about her dress. Let's change the blend mode, how it looks like. This is interesting. No. Well, not much. Just because it's nice color dress, so that's a little bit that way. Just normal is fine, I think. It's not much big difference, but I can make contrast on linear burn, on wrinkles. Okay, how about this face and shadow, direct shadow type stuff? Mostly hair. No. Same, normal is fine. Now I want to see this, her skin tone to be more nicer skin. So I'm gonna add some more skin tones. Let's make it some little bit suntan or more healthy color on skin. So overall base now. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna add a layer, then march down. I'm gonna draw on this. Okay, march down. Yeah, this kind of still light, but I'm gonna combine together to this base image. So skin tone is fine. Of course, this is almost fine. Okay, now I wanna go combination with this base image. Now I wanna see. Let's see about background. This is nice background though. I can just mask it. Well, let's see, this is 100% basement. Then I'm gonna add layer for background. Now I'm gonna paint just basic soft round size blue. Blue, nice blue. Nice. California sky. Then some saturation on this desert, like yellowish. Then I'm gonna change this layer blend mode to color. This desert shows more. Now I'm gonna erase. Same thing, soft around the soft around the variable. Okay, I'm gonna now. I want to use this color layer to be affected on this image. I need some kind of, well, I'm gonna duplicate layer 1 for only this background. So this color layer is only for this base. Then now this base, I'm gonna make some mask. Create empty mask. I'm gonna just hide this. Same brush, soft round size flow. I'm gonna turn base image off now. Then only see this base, but I masked. So we see the white, these watercolor layers 100%. And this is skin tone. Skin, I draw. This is color dodge. I'm gonna go back to normal. So we see these 3 layers are normal 100%. Now we see that. Now let's go this mask. Wanna see some more watercolor image instead of this base image. So that's this mask is doing. Let's make it. Well, if I add here, add layer on top, then change the blend mode to color, then to add some orange-ish color. Sun hit her or orange, this one. Then let's see. Now this much for that, and this much for skin. This is for hair. This is color on skin. Where is it? Some orange. Now let's see about this pencil drawing type. Then change to some, what do you think? Color burn. Some kind of effect. Linear burn. I kind of like this one too. Color burn as well. I kind of like this other than this black dot around. I can take out. Yeah, I really kind of like this effect. Well, I go for linear burn on this now. Okay, I'm gonna take this black dot. Well, or I'm gonna make mask now. Create empty mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal. Yeah, I kind of like this. Yes. Nice feeling. And this orange is nice. This one is color, right? Yeah. Well, I guess that's it for today. And I kind of like this expression of this nice feeling. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. And I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys support, and well, you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.